Have you ever wondered how your body knows when to breathe, walk, eat, or even remember your best friend's name? That's all thanks to your nervous system. It's the superhero of our body, controlling everything we do, whether we're awake or asleep. Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of ExactCampus.com. In today's video, we will explore how this incredible nervous system works in simple terms and understand why it's so important. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. So, let's start with answering a simple question. What is the nervous system? In simple words, the nervous system is the body's control and communication system. It sends messages between your brain, spinal cord, and different parts of your body. It's what allows you to think, feel, and react to the world around you. Did you know the messages in your nervous system travel at speeds up to 120 meters per second? Well, that's faster than most cars. So now we know what is the nervous system. Let's see, what does the nervous system do? The nervous system controls all the functions of our body, such as breathing, walking, playing, eating and digesting food, remembering names and lessons, drawing and talking, and much more. It's like the command center of our body, ensuring everything runs smoothly without us even realizing it. There are three main parts of the nervous system: the brain, the spinal cord, and huge network of nerves. The brain is the control center of our body, protected by a hard skull. It's divided into three main parts: cerebrum, the thinking part; cerebellum, the balance keeper; and medulla, the brainstem. Cerebrum, the thinking part. This is the largest part of the brain. It controls voluntary muscles, meaning the muscles we move by choice, like when we run, jump, or write. It helps us see, hear, learn, think, and remember. It also controls our emotions like happiness, sadness, or fear. Cerebellum, the balance keeper. This is located at the back of the brain. It helps with posture, balance, and coordination of muscles. Thanks to the cerebellum, we can stand straight and not fall while walking or running. Medulla, the brainstem. Medulla connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls involuntary muscles, which work without us thinking, like those responsible for breathing, digestion, blood circulation, coughing, and sneezing. Now let's see the next part, the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves running through your backbone. It acts like a highway, carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord is protected by vertebrae, the small bones of the spine, and connects to the brain at the medulla. It also controls reflexes, like quickly pulling your hand away if you touch something hot. Let's see what are the nerves and how they work. Nerves are thin threads that spread all over your body, carrying messages to and from the brain and spinal cord. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves carry messages from your sense organs, eyes, ears, skin, etc., to the brain. For example, they tell your brain when something is hot or cold. Motor nerves carry messages from the brain and spinal cord to your muscles, telling them to move. Example: motor nerves tell your hand to move away from the hot object. Mixed nerves carry both sensory and motor messages. Do you know if you stretched out all the nerves in your body, they could wrap around the earth almost twice? Amazing, right? Now let's see, how does the nervous system work? The nervous system works like a team. Here's how. First, sense. Your sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, detect things around you, like a hot stove or a yummy smell. Then send message. The sensory nerves carry this information to your brain. Then decide. Your brain processes the information and decides what to do. Finally act. The motor nerves send the brain's instructions to your muscles, and you react, like moving your hand away from the stove. There are other important parts of the nervous system. Let's see them now. Sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are connected to the nervous system. They send signals to the brain about what you see, hear, smell, taste, or feel. Neurons. Neurons are tiny cells in your brain, spinal cord, and nerves. They carry messages in the form of electrical signals. Reflex action. A super quick response. Sometimes, our body needs to act immediately for safety. For example, if you touch something sharp or hot, your hand pulls back even before you realize it. Another example is, when a doctor taps your knee, your leg kicks without you thinking about it. This is a reflex action, which is directly controlled by the spinal cord. It skips the brain to save time and protect you from harm. Reflexes are so fast that they happen in just milliseconds. Now let's see what is memory, your brain's filing system. When we are born, we already have all the nerves we need, but they aren't fully connected. As we grow and learn, our brain creates new connections between neurons. These connections form our memory. Whenever we need to recall something, like a friend's name or a lesson, the brain reactivates these connections. Your brain can store more information than the biggest library in the world. Now you know why is the nervous system important? It keeps all parts of your body working together. It helps you react to the world around you. It controls both voluntary actions, like jumping, and involuntary actions, like breathing. How should you care for your nervous system? To keep your nervous system healthy, eat brain-boosting foods. Include nuts, fish, leafy greens, and fruits in your diet. Stay active. Regular exercise keeps your brain sharp and healthy. Get enough sleep. Sleep helps your brain recharge and stay focused. Stay safe. Wear helmets and seat belts to protect your brain and spinal cord from injuries. Now, it's time for some fun facts about the nervous system. The brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Neurons in the brain can send and receive signals faster than an internet connection. Your spinal cord can act on its own, reflexes, without waiting for your brain's instructions. This brings us to the end of this video. Just to summarize, the nervous system is truly one of the most fascinating parts of our body. It's like a superhighway of information, controlling everything we do. By understanding how it works and taking care of it, we can keep ourselves healthy, active, and ready to learn. Isn't it amazing how much the nervous system does for us every single day? I hope you had enjoyed this session. For more insights and educational content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and visit our website at exactcampus.com. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and exploring. Take care.